Hello friends, how are you? Happy New Year, and I hope everyone is fine and enjoying their life, and my best wishes for all of you. And I'm hopeful that in coming year, or the year we are already in, will be a prosperous year, and you will get a good return of your blessed life in this year. So, what about Portugal? Is immigration going on? Yes, it's going on very smoothly and very rapidly. And every day, a lot of people are going through the fingerprinting process, and everyone is happy. Alhamdulillah, whoever have completed the legal requirement of being within Portugal, they are having some job or they are doing the legitimate business, and they have stayed here for the suggested duration, then their process is very smooth. But those who are not fulfilling all the requirements, they are having some problems. They are receiving the falta from the IMA. But I'm telling you in a sincere and honest note that whoever is having a good record of their finances and their taxes, and they are not having any criminal record here, they are living here smoothly and peacefully, they are getting their cards on time. Government is supporting the honest immigrants. So if someone is saying things are not good and they are not getting support, so you can understand that they have some problem, either regard to their taxes or some other criminal records and other things. So my first, you can say, the experience sharing is that for the Europe or any other country, never ever use illegal way to cross the border of that country or any country. I mean, use the legitimate legal ways, either visa or like any type of visa, which will make you the legitimate visitor of that country, and don't do any illegal things. Then your future will be secure in these countries. Don't accept any offer which is not legitimate and not reliable to enter into any part of the country, any part of the world. So this is something I have learned from this past few years experience of various countries in Europe, that if you are legal, then you have some sympathy for from the government, and if you are illegal and your ways to come here is not legitimate, then you may face the problems. So the choice is yours, that you use some illegal way and face long life consequences and then lot of sufferings, or wait for some time, make yourself eligible to visit the other countries and go as per the legal ways. Never ever adopt illegal means like a forged document or like a donkey type of the way illegal ways to come to the Europe or any other part of the world. Be safe and live for your family and adopt the legal processes for the immigration. Thank you very much.